Welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this beautiful wig and we are going crazy with the baby hairs. If you are someone who doesn't normally like baby hairs, raise your hand. But you still want to feel like you can sit with the girlies with the baby hairs, this video is for you. It's all about placement and amount and direction. Take your time and we're gonna slay this wig together. Today we have a new sponsor. Let's give a warm welcome to ZlikeHair. Today what I have installed is a 22-inch 13x4 HD frontal wig. This is in the water wave texture. I want to show you guys the way the lace looks before we decide to tint it. This lace tint, this has been my favorite thing lately. Do you see the difference that makes? Look at it. Not bad. I must admit, the zigzag scissors is nice. If you don't have one, you should go pick one up. I'm gonna do the other side and then come back. Two sides secured. I am going to go in with some more foundation just to cover up that white cast. I do want to play around with some baby hairs today, so we are going to be doing some. Go in with some eco style for the baby hairs. Not every day that I want this much baby hairs, but some days I like to play around. I'm gonna move this hair out of my face and then we're gonna start doing these baby hairs. Go in with my gel. Go in with some of this curl paste.
There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better. Clock is ticking, time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. Got my eyes.
And then I like to seal it in. I'm gonna go in with this Walmart spray. be done here. If you want that like big fluffy look, you can just leave it like this, but I think we want it a little bit more defined. I did go ahead and wet it off camera.
Now let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time.
I did bleach the knots on this wig off camera. You guys know I do this all the time. I prefer to bleach my knots. If I remember correctly, these knots were definitely like standing out to me. I did see that it had a pre-plucked hairline, so I didn't pluck anything. I also went ahead and used some lace tint before I even installed her. For me, HD literally just blends on any skin tone, whether or not I put it to the palm or the back of my hand, and it blends in both, meaning it looks invisible. That is what HD means to me. Now, what does it mean to you? You tell me. I decided to tint my lace with this. This is a must-have. You need to get this lace tint. We did a deep side part. I wanted to go deep, like on the side here deep, but the lace was just not having it. It's one of those lace where the lace over here is like 2 inches. It is what it is. I just styled the wig with water. I didn't really use any products. Just on the top here, I used sculpting paste molding. This is another GOAT. If you don't have this product, get that product. We used some of the lace melt, and then we used also the black can as well. I did use this spray on the top because it gives like a soft hold. Hairspray says level 5, girl. I'm sorry, no, it's more like a level 2. Oh my goodness, you guys, so beautiful. Water wave, you guys know water wave is hands down the prettiest curl pattern. If you don't own any curly wigs and you want to have one texture, you know, one curly wig, I would say get a water wave wig. It's never going to disappoint. So cute. Forgot to mention, the curls on this wig is very soft, some of the softest. If I've never heard of ZlikeHair, you probably haven't either. The wig is beautiful, and I'm not just saying that because you guys know my reviews are always honest. And this wig surprised me, so shout out to you, Zlike. Hopefully I can bring a few more options, because we tried a curly wig, maybe we can try a straight wig, some highlight wigs, who knows what, you guys, because this is fire. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you're someone who doesn't like a lot of baby hairs, would you try this look? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. It really does go a long way. I gotta go. I'm gonna catch you later in another video real soon. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss out on any future uploads or giveaways that I do. Bye!